In this video, I'm going to show you how you can send your featured listings to your contacts in HighLevel. For that, we have created an app in IDX Add-ons. You will need to log in to idxaddons.com and visit this page, apps/GHL send featured listings. The first time you enter this page is going to ask you to connect your HighLevel account. So click here and select your sub-account. The next step is to create the custom fields that will store your featured listing data on your contacts. So click on Install. So now my custom fields are created, and here I can see the list of the custom fields that we have available: listing image URL, the price, full address, bets and bats. But how are we going to load my featured listing info in my contacts? Well, I can go back and scroll down, and here we'll see a list of all my featured listings. I'm going to use this button with the plus sign and select a contact from my HighLevel account. If I start typing here, I can see all the list. So I'm going to select this one. Okay, now this contact will have this feature data on the custom fields. I can go here, and as you can see, we don't have any. And if we refresh the page, now we have the featured listing data. Okay, so the next step is to create the email that we are going to send. Let's go to Marketing, Templates, create a new from Templates. Here I can select the category of real estate, and I'm going to select this one. Okay, now we can use our custom fields to change the email info. For example, instead of having the price like this, we can use a custom value for contact, custom fields, and use the feature price, feature listing price. Let's search here, and here is feature listing price formatted. And I can do the same with the address. Okay, and for images, I can use the image URL. And also use it for the image URL. It will show like the image is broken because we haven't selected a contact to preview the email. We can go here and click on Preview Template. And we can select the contact that we want to preview, this email. And that's it. Now we can use the feature listing custom fields to complete all the listing information. And you can customize this template as you want. You can change the layout, you can change the images and the icons. I hope you find this app useful, and let us know if you have any questions. Thank you for watching.